some happiness to fill their empty eyes.
Na a life of difference yan. So our text says, we are the light of the world. Kasi nasabi tayo daw po ay liwanag. But sa totoo lang po, the truth is we are only a reflection of God's light. We are not the origin of life. We are not the source of light. God is the source of light. Amen? God is light. 1 John chapter 1 verse 5. Diba? The origin of light, siya talaga ang pinanggalingan ng liwanag. Sa katotohanan nga, bago ang lahat ng mga bagay, wala pang nilikha. Everything is in darkness. Everything is in total darkness. It seems that no hope. Pero nung sabihin ng Panginoon, let there be light, and there was light. We must be a reflection of good character, which symbolizes the light that's shared in us. Na kung paano tayo niliwanagan, binigyan ng Panginoon ng bagong buhay, the light mentions, the metaphor po dito, is the goodness of God that was shared in us, that we must also be shown to others, na dapat nating ipakita din sa iba. At alam niyo po, hindi mahirap sundin ang Panginoon kapag atin siyang mahal. Amen? Hindi mahirap lumakad sa pag-ibig kapag mahal natin ang Panginoon. It's easy to obey the commandments of God kung tayo po ay nagmamahal sa Panginoon. And yet, parang walang effect minsan sa mga Kristiyano po ang buhay na ginawa ng ang sakripisyo na ginawa ng Panginoon. Binabasta natin ang buhay Kristiyano natin. Amen? Maraming mga Kristiyano, they still love darkness. Mas gusto pa rin nila ang kadiliman kaysa liwanag. Ha? In order for us to live a life of difference, we must work and walk in the light. We must walk in love, and we must be willing to live unpleasant things. Dapat yung mga hindi nakakalugod sa Panginoon ay dapat din nating alisan.